Hey everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we're cooking quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight we're making a meatless meal. We're doing potatoes and eggs. So I got a couple of things here. I got my potatoes all cut up, half of an onion or a real small onion. I got a cup of Parmesan cheese. I got 8 eggs tonight, all right? And I got a little bit of salt and pepper. So let's get to cooking. So what we're gonna do here, alright, so I'm just putting up some olive oil here.
Hi everyone.
You know who that is? That is the guinea pig. So if you're just joining us for the first time, so she gets a taste of the meal at the end, and she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up if it's like, yeah, good, but it needs salt, 1 thumb down if it's like, you've done better, or 2 thumbs down if my dogs, Snickers and Rolo, won't even eat it. So I'm gonna fry up my potatoes. I'm gonna mix in some of the onion now too, sort of break it up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season the onions and the potatoes with salt and pepper. Okay, and we want the potatoes to get nice and brown. Just a little spin here. Oh, look at that. Oh. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to crack these eggs. Okay. Hold on, let's go check on the potatoes. Hold on. Go ahead and scrape this up here. So not long, we're not going to cook these for too long, just until the potatoes are nice and brown. The onions get soft after a couple of minutes. Okay. Here's the other mini guinea. Tell them who you are.
They can't even see you, so short. She's been working out upstairs. She wants to show your muscles.
She's jacked. Did you say who you are?
Whoa, that's so big.
Now you can add a little bit of milk to this if you want. Give it a little bit more fluff. No, I'm not adding water.
Yes, add water.
No, I'm not adding water. Michelle, when Michelle does her own show, she can add the water to her potatoes and eggs. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Parmesan right to the eggs. That looks pretty good. Mix that up a little bit more. All right, now it's like, this is the moment of glory here. This is the moment of truth right here. Okay, follow me. Here we go. Okay, these potatoes are ready. So I'm just going to lower the heat now a little bit. Seriously, I'm nervous. I'm like sweating a little bit here because I'm so bad at eggs. All right, you ready? Here we go. Okay. Now this is where the fun begins, guys. So what we got to do here, and I'm just going to sort of keep going around. Okay, making sure that nothing sticks to the sides here. Okay, I think we're ready for a little thing here. All right, so watch this. I'm just gonna put my spatula back there, and I'm gonna drain off the top underneath. Okay, and you gotta keep doing that as you cook this frittata here. You gotta keep moving things. So you just sort of keep it. You see how that's creeping in there? Can you see that, babe?
Yeah.
See how that's sort of getting in there and getting underneath? That's the key to this whole thing. Now the only question is going to be the stickiness of this thing, right? To see if we have any problems with this thing sticking. Get some on this side. Get all the liquid underneath, then we make the flip, and we'll see how that works. And that's like this is the biggest part of what's going on here is cooking the eggs and making sure nothing's sticking. Like that's really where the work goes in now. You just got to make sure everything's nicey nice, this thing sticks on me, I got a big problem because it'll be the first time ever I get 2 thumbs down from the guinea pig. I think we're ready to make the flip. This is it, crunch time. All right, let's flip it. This like fits perfectly? No, it doesn't. Damn! Backup plan, follow me, just in case. Got a shaky hand. Okay, ready? Oh, look at that!
Yeah, you screwed up the eggs.
I'm gonna salvage this, hold on.
We're ordering out. You screwed up the eggs.
No, it's good.
Did you do something?
I didn't eat it yet.
You know what my father's doing right now? He's laughing at me. You see, this is real life. This isn't like a professional cooking show. This is real life stuff here, you know what I mean? Stupid. I failed you guys, I failed you. We're gonna salvage this because I'm hungry. Okay, I gotta wash this out. Hold on 1 second.
Why are you washing it now?
Because this is what I'm serving it on. This is always in the way.
You're in the way.
All right, I think it's still gonna be tasty though. You know, maybe she won't give me 2 thumbs up tonight, but, all right, take a look. So, had a little bit of a problem, but it still looks pretty good. Another minute on that now, and I'm going to take that off, and we're going to feed the guinea pig, and tonight was not my best night. And she's ruthless. She's ruthless.
I hear you. You really don't have any
More ways than one. This is ready. See, now she's not sticking. See her shaking in there? Now she's not sticking. Now she's sticking. Okay. Here's what we got. So it looks like crap, but let's see how it tastes.
Should we eat right from there?
No, I'm gonna cut you a little piece. Listen.
Potatoes and eggs.
So, cut Michelle a little slab.
What? Who cares if it looks good?
I like your attitude, Morgan.
Presentation is everything when it comes to food. Tasty?
You always have to put it in your
I
hand.
know, it's like perfect fruit. It's good. Tastes good. Looks good. Tastes good. And that's all that I care about. So I got 2 thumbs up.
All right, we did it. See, we salvaged it tonight, and that's what matters. That's what this is all about, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for tuning in. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. Take care, guys.